Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to TR Aqua Studios. Today, I'm excited to share with you a recipe that is very close to my heart. How to make delicious fish pickle, a true gem of Indian cuisine. This is a special dish where the freshness of sea fish meets the magic of aromatic Indian spices, creating a burst of flavors in every bite. Making fish pickle might seem hard at first, but trust me, it's actually very easy and fun once you get started. The result is a sour, spicy, and incredibly tasty pickle that you can enjoy for months, adding a punch to any meal. This pickle is not just a side dish. It's a great experience that brings families together at the dining table. Hot rice, a dollop of ghee, and a spoonful of fish pickle. What a fantastic and comforting combination. If made correctly and stored well, this pickle can last for up to 3 months, staying fresh and flavorful. You can easily make it at home with good quality fish and the freshest spices you can find. So you must try this unique taste at least once. Trust me, you shouldn't miss out on this delightful treat. To make this amazing pickle, we first need to get all our ingredients ready. Gathering everything before you start is the secret to a smooth cooking process. Having everything ready makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. This is called mise en place, a French term that means everything in its place. Most importantly, choose a firm fish with fewer bones. Kingfish, surmai, or tilapia work well for this recipe and hold their shape nicely. Use about 1 kilogram of fish cut into small pieces. The fish should be fresh, as freshness makes a big difference in flavor. For the spice mix, you'll need 100 grams of red chili powder, 50 grams of salt, juice from 10 lemons, and 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and 500 milliliters of sesame oil for authentic flavor. Also, prepare 20 garlic cloves, some fresh curry leaves, and 100 grams of ginger garlic paste for extra aroma and taste. If all ingredients are measured and ready, cooking will be more organized, efficient, and truly enjoyable from start to finish. Now that all our ingredients are prepped and ready, it's time to start making our delicious fish pickle, step by step. First, take the cleaned fish pieces in a bowl. Add half of the turmeric powder and half of the salt. Then mix everything thoroughly so the fish is evenly coated. Allow the fish to marinate for at least 30 minutes. This helps the flavors soak in. After marination, drain any excess water from the bowl. Next, heat oil in a deep pan or kadai and carefully fry the marinated fish pieces in small batches. Fry until they turn crisp and golden brown on all sides. Remove the fried fish using a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any extra oil. Set the fish aside for now. In the same pan, heat some fresh oil for the masala. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic and curry leaves, and fry until aromatic and the seeds start to splutter. Now add ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, mustard powder, fenugreek powder, and the remaining salt. Mix everything together to form a rich, fragrant masala. Once the masala thickens and the oil starts to separate, add fresh lemon juice and mix well. Your flavorful pickle masala is now ready to use. Now we are in the final stage, mixing everything and finishing the pickle. Only after the masala has completely cooled down, carefully mix in the fish pieces. It's very important to mix everything with a clean, dry spoon. For long-term storage, keep the pickle in sterilized glass or ceramic jars. Make sure there's a layer of oil on top of the pickle. This helps keep it from spoiling. Let the pickle sit for at least 2 days for the flavors to blend well. Always use a clean, dry spoon each time. Close the jar tightly and store it in a cool place. If you follow these tips, your fish pickle will stay good for 3 months. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make fish pickle. Please like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!